Alright guys, these are 6 massive jumps that you did not know about in MX versus ATV All Out.
First, you have this jump right here. And then, after that, if you would come up here and go in between these hay bales, then you jump down and you jump this. You can also jump this just for fun after. And then the next jump is also over by where you spawned. And then I start, because this is a massive jump. Bam. And then you land right there, perfectly. And then another jump that I bet some of y'all know, but not a lot of y'all know, is when you come up here to the top, you can actually jump off of the starting gate. So, you ready? Here we go. Bam. Now, it takes some time to get that jump, but it's pretty easy to get. The second one is when you come off of the landing, you can also hit this jump right there. That leads all the way right here, which also can lead to right here.